Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with KeyBank checking account step by step clearly. To use Zelle with your KeyBank checking account, start by ensuring you have the KeyBank mobile app installed on your smartphone. Open the KeyBank app and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the option that says Send Money or Zelle. Tap on that option to begin the process. If you're using Zelle for the first time, you may need to register your account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address or mobile number. Make sure this email or number is linked to your Zelle account. You might receive a verification code. Check your email or messages for this code. Enter the code in the app as prompted to verify your account. Once verified, you can start sending money. To send money, select the recipient from your contacts or enter their email or phone number manually. Enter the amount you wish to send. Add a note if you want to specify the purpose of the payment. Review all the details of your transaction. Ensure that everything is correct before you proceed. Tap the Send button to complete the transaction. You should receive a confirmation that your payment has been sent. The recipient will get a notification and the funds should be available in their account shortly. If you want to receive payments, share your registered email or mobile number with the sender. To check your transaction history, go back to the main menu and find the Transaction Histories section. Here, you can view all your past Zelle transactions and their status. That's how easy it is to use Zelle with your KeyBank checking account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.